In this video, I would like to show us how to link our X account, formerly Twitter, to Athene network. Let's dive in. First of all, you log into your Athene network application, and then you see the setting icon on the top right hand corner on the app. You click on the setting icon, and then you see where it says linked account. So you click on link account, and then you insert your X username or URL into this space. So then you click on updates. Let's say let me input my username here. This is my URL. Then you click on updates. So we have successfully linked our X account to Athene network. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel so you can enjoy more updates from me.